What is going on, everyone? I hope you were all having a fantastic day. So I have no idea how I missed this, so thank you so much for those of you who let me know, but SoFi recently announced their very first credit card, and if you have spent any time here on my channel, then you know that I may or may not have a mild obsession with SoFi. And ironically, we just talked about the Citi Double Cash Card, which offers 2% back on everything, and this new SoFi card is going to be a serious rival to that credit card and others in this category. So let's talk about what this credit card is going to offer when it is officially launched in early 2020 and how it stacks up against the other options that are currently on the market. All right, let's jump right into it. So like I said, this card is not currently available. However, you are able to join the waitlist if you already have a SoFi account. So you can just do a Google search for SoFi credit card and sign into your SoFi account and then add yourself to the waitlist. And yes, of course, I already did. Now, if you're not a SoFi member, then that is fine too, and you're welcome to check out this video and also watch my video on the SoFi Money and SoFi Invest platforms. And if you think that you do want to get this credit card at the end of this video, then there are links down in the description for both SoFi Money and SoFi Invest that will each give you $50 and allow you to add yourself to the waitlist for this credit card when it does become available. So they're saying that this will be available to their customers sometime in early 2021, but right out of the gate, this card is going to offer you 2% cash back on everything, which is kind of funny because we were just talking about how there are very few cards that offer a flat 2% cash back when we took a look at the Citi Double Cash Card a few videos ago. So the new SoFi credit card is going to be a direct competitor with the Citi Double Cash Card, as well as other similar options like the Chase Freedom Flex and Freedom Unlimited cards. Now, they make the 2% sound a little bit overcomplicated on their website, in my opinion, but basically what it says is you're going to get 1 point per dollar, which is the same thing as 1%. Then you're going to get another 1% once you redeem that money into a SoFi account. So I know this might sound a little bit confusing, but don't overthink it too much, because basically if you have a SoFi Money account and you decide to just take the cash back, like most of you probably will, then at the end of the day, you're going to get 2% back on everything, which is absolutely amazing. However, we have seen this in better cashback offers in certain categories from many competitors. So what is it that sets this card apart? Because as you can tell, I am pretty excited about it, and no, it's not just because it is from SoFi, I promise. In addition to being able to redeem that for cashback right into your SoFi Money account, you're also going to have the option to directly redeem it into shares within your SoFi Invest accounts, and even apply it directly to your student loans or personal loans through SoFi as well. And honestly, this just pushes the company mission even further ahead of helping you get your money right across the board. I have praised SoFi again and again for all of the different financial services that they offer under one umbrella, and that is really the main reason that I love this platform so much. So to see them introduce this credit card in a way that is also going to tie in all of those other services is really fantastic. Now, similar to other cards in this category, there's going to be no annual fee, which is kind of expected, but one bummer is that there isn't going to be any kind of sign-up bonus, which again is kind of expected for this category of credit card, but we have seen other cards, specifically from Chase, offer a small sign-up benefit. Now, SoFi has said that they are planning on adding some additional features to this card, and it's very possible that these could come prior to the official launch early next year. So I'm hoping that they add this sign-up benefit, even if it is just a small share of a stock in your SoFi Invest account, or maybe even a small investment into the new SoFi ETFs that were introduced just a few months ago. This would be a fantastic way to not only get people started with building their credit score, but also allowing them to simultaneously start their investing journey by offering them a sign-up bonus that is an investment. Clearly, there would be some logistical hurdles to get through because opening a credit card and an investing account are two separate things, but this is a benefit that I think their demographic would really benefit from. Another big benefit of the SoFi credit card is they're going to charge no foreign transaction fees, which may not sound like a huge deal if you don't do a whole lot of traveling, but keep in mind that many big banks, including Chase and Citi, do still charge a foreign transaction fee, meaning you have to pay 3% on your Freedom Flex and Freedom Unlimited cards if you are using them internationally. So if you travel a lot, then definitely keep that in mind. And on a similar note, the SoFi card is also going to have the World MasterCard benefits, which gives you tons of advantages, including 5 free Lyft credits every single month, discounts on Postmates, ShopRunner benefits, which gives you free shipping and returns, box discounts, and even cell phone protection of up to $800 per claim and $1,000 per calendar year. So again, might not be a huge benefit depending on your spending habits, but if you do use some of those services already, then that's literally free stuff on services that you're probably already paying for. Now, one other benefit that I haven't seen anywhere else, but has kind of left me scratching my head, is if you make 12 on-time payments, they're actually going to give you a 1% reduction on your interest rate. But honestly, this should mean absolutely nothing to you, because if you're going to get this card or any other credit card, then please make sure that you are paying it off at the end of every single month, meaning you're not going to be paying any interest anyways. Please pay off your credit cards at the end of every single month, because if you're paying those crazy high interest rates, then that's going to negate any of the benefit that you're getting from this card in the first place. So even that 1% reduction is really a non-event in my opinion. Okay, so that's what we have as far as benefits with this new credit card. So how is it going to directly stack up against something like the Citi Double Cash Card? Well, as I mentioned with Chase, Citi is also going to charge a 3% foreign transaction fee, while SoFi is not going to do that. So if you do a lot of traveling, then that is definitely something that you want to keep in mind. Now, also remember that Citi has largely removed those World MasterCard benefits that we just talked about, which is those free Lyft rides and Postmate discounts, and all of that good stuff is going to be non-existent with your Citi Double Cashback card. So honestly, when it comes down to it, unless you are using the Citi network and the thank you points, which I'm assuming most of you have no idea what that is, so it doesn't matter anyways, then you would probably be better off getting the SoFi credit card instead. You're going to have no foreign transaction fees, you're going to get all of those MasterCard benefits, which is fantastic, and you're going to get your cash back immediately in real time, instead of having to wait to the end of the month when your statement arrives in order to get that cash back like most credit cards. Now, as far as the Chase Freedom Flex and Freedom Unlimited cards, it's kind of tough to compare these to the SoFi credit card just because they are pretty different in the rewards that they currently offer. But as I've mentioned many times before, you do need to take a closer look at your spending habits to see which credit card is going to offer you the highest cashback benefit. For example, the Chase Freedom Flex is going to offer 5% cashback in various rolling categories, and the Freedom Unlimited card is going to offer 1.5% cashback on everything, which is pretty close to 2%, but they're also going to give you 3% back on certain categories. So depending on where you spend most of your money, you definitely will find out which card will benefit you the most. I know that might be really confusing, and as someone who is not super into credit cards myself, I totally understand that. But just take some time out of your day and take a close look at your budget and see which credit card would benefit you the most. So overall, I really am excited about the SoFi credit card, and while this wasn't a thorough review since I don't have it yet, and I'm sure they are going to add a lot of benefits in the future, I hope that this at least gives you a quick overview of if this is something that you are even interested in. I would love to see them add those sign-up bonuses that we talked about earlier, and maybe even the ability to pay for your SoFi student loans with your SoFi credit card. I know that might sound a little bit crazy, but think of it this way. If you're already making a monthly payment for your student loan balance, then you could make that payment with your SoFi credit card, earn that 2% cash back, which is immediately put towards your student loan balance as well, and since you're paying off that balance at the end of every single month, you're not going to be paying or accruing any interest on that card anyways. Not to mention the fact that you're helping your credit score by 1, paying off your student loan balance, and 2, by using that credit card and paying it off each and every month. Again, it might be a crazy idea and not something that they're currently offering, but I would love to see them add something like that in the future, since if you're paying $1,000 every month for your student loan balance, then that would be $20 per month in cash back, and that could add up really quickly. So let me know what you think of the SoFi credit card down in the comment section below, and if this is something you think you're going to apply for, or if there is another credit card that you have more interest in. If you are excited about this and you don't already have a SoFi account, then remember there are links down in the description below for a SoFi Money and SoFi Invest account that will each give you $50 and allow you to add yourself to the waitlist if you do want to pick up the SoFi credit card once it is available in the future. As always, if you did enjoy today's video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with someone who you think could get value out of this content as well. And as always, take it easy, and I'll see you in the next one.